Welcome back guys. In this video, I'll show you how to log into your EC2 instance from Putty. If you are not comfortable with Putty, there are different ways to connect to an EC2 instance. I have created videos on them. I'll paste the link in the description. You can check them. Alright, let's get started. So the first thing you need is Putty. Search for download Putty on Windows and you can download this MSI and you can install it. I've already downloaded it and installed it in my system. The next thing you need is a working EC2 instance. So let me create a EC2 instance. Already logged in my EC2 and I have opened a EC2 dashboard and clicked on launch instance. Now I'll enter my EC2 name, that name what I wanted. I'll click on Linux. I'll keep things as it is, as I am under free tier eligibility, so it will be free. The main thing is I need a key pair for login purpose. I'll click here, give it a name. Let's give it ppk pair. The main thing is I have to select .ppk format because I want to log in it through Putty. I'll click on create key pair and it will be automatically downloaded in my download section. I'll scroll down. I'll not make change in any of the things and click on launch instance. It will take some time. So you can see my EC2 instance is running now. To connect through it from EC2 instance, I'll click here. I'll click on connect. So basically I'll need these details: public IP address and the username. I can get the public IP address from here as well. I can use this IP address as well, or I can use this public DNS as well. Okay, let me go back to the connection section. Now I'll open Putty. I'll search for Putty. So this is the section I have to fill. In the host name, I have to specify the IP address. I can copy it from here, paste it in my Putty host name. The port number will be 22 only, and the here in the SSH section, in the auth, in the credentials, I have to specify my private key file, that is Putty, that ppk file. So this was downloaded here. I'll select it. I'll click on open. I'll also I can save the session so that the next time I don't have to fill everything again. So something like EC2 Connect, and I can click on save. So it will be saved, and the next time I can click here and click on load. So it will enter all these things automatically. Then I'll click on open and it will ask me some confirmation. I'll click on accept. Now here I have to enter my username. So you have to enter this username that is mentioned here. You don't have to enter your original username, otherwise it will give an error. So we can see here the username is EC2 user. So let me enter EC2 user only and I'll click on enter, and I'm successfully logged in to my EC2 instance. I can write different commands here just to confirm that I am in my EC2. One important thing that you have to take care is while creating your EC2 instance, in the security group, the port 22 is allowed. So you can verify it from here. By the way, this is automatically allowed, like it is created automatically during creation if you don't mess up with anything. So you can see here port 22 is allowed from TCP from anywhere, and you can change it if you want different port number to use. You can specify here, and if you want any IP to be from where it has to be used, then you can specify as well. So thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and check out my other videos for more tech tips and tutorials.